Let us go for the verbal problems here. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. They given the verbal problem here. You have to convert this one in the form of a quadratic equation. So by taking the variable x or any variable you can take here. So the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The area of a rectangular plot. The area of a rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. This area of this rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So the given length depends upon the breadth. So let us take the breadth as what x. Then what is length given here? The length of the plot. The length of the plot is one more than the breadth. One more than twice its breadth. Twice means what? 2x. And one more means what? 2x plus 1. So the length depends upon the breadth. Breadth is not mentioned. So let us take breadth as x. And length what it is given? Length is one more than twice the breadth. So one more than twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means 2x plus 1. So let breadth is equal to x meters. Let breadth is equal to x meters and the length is equal to 2x plus 1 meters according to the problem. Because the length is given that one more than twice the breadth. So breadth is x, then one more than twice its breadth means 2x plus 1. This is length according to the given problem. See, it is given here. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So now area given. Area of a rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. Area formed by the rectangle formula, length into breadth, which is equal to 528, which implies length is how much here? 2x plus 1. Length is 2x plus 1. Breadth is what? X is equal to 528. Let us multiply here 2x into x, 2x square. 1 into x plus 525 on this side minus 528 is equal to 6. This is a quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? Means if the area of this equation is 2. So the given problem we converted or expressed in the form of quadratic equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, coming for the next problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive positive integers. Suppose 4 is an integer, its next consecutive number is what to find. If 7 is a consecutive, 7 is an integer, its consecutive integer is what? 8. So always a consecutive integer is one more than the previous one or preceding one. So suppose if this is x, the consecutive integer will be what? X plus 1. So in this way we can take one is x and another one is what? X plus 1. The product of two consecutive integers is given 306. So let the two consecutive positive integers. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x comma x plus 1. As I said, 7 is one integer means its consecutive integer is what? 8. 5 is an integer means its consecutive integer is what? 6. 6 is one is x, the next one is x plus 1. So given the product of two consecutive positive integers. What they have given here? The product of two consecutive positive integers is equal to 306. So product we have to take from this both as product here. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Let us multiply here x into x square, x into 1x, then 306 to the left hand side, minus 306 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to change the given situation in the form of quadratic equation, which is of second order degree. Okay, coming for the third problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Him means Rohan. So, suppose Rohan age is x, mother's age will be what? X plus 26 years. Suppose Rohan's age is 10 and mother's age 10 plus 26 is 36. So if you take Rohan's age as x, then Rohan's present age. So because what they asked, that is considered as a variable, that is x. So they asked to find Rohan's present age. So let Rohan's present age is what? X. Then mother's age becomes x plus 26. Then the product of their ages is what? 360 years. So for this we have to write the quadratic equation. So let Rohan's present age is equal to x years. So according to the problem, mother's age is equal to 26 years older than me, means x plus 26. So now the product of their ages is equal to 36 years. The product small correction here. Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years. Just before that I written after their ages is 3. Not here. The product of their ages is 6. The product of their ages after 3 years. So now after 3 years, their ages be, that is one. For this you add 3 years, x plus 3 comma x plus 26 plus 3, that is equal to x plus 3 years comma x plus 29 years. This is after 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3 years and mother's age is x plus 26 plus 3, x plus 29 years. Now, according to the problem, the product of the ages after 3 years is equal to, after 3 years how much given here? 360. So let us take these two products, which implies the x plus 3 into the x plus 29 is equal to 360. Let us multiply here now. X into x, x square. X into 29, 29x. 3 into x, 3x. 29 into 3 9s, 27. 3 to 6, 6 to 8. 360 being this side, minus 360 is equal to 0. So let us subtract from 360, 87. So borrow 10 minus 7, 3. 15 minus 8, 7. So now here 273. So x square 29 plus 3, 32x. 32x, 87 minus 360, 273 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So here the product of the ages, according to the given problem, the product of the ages after 3 years is 360. So after simplifying, what we got here, x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Okay, coming for the last problem in this exercise. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed, same speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less than it would be. So if it travels 8 kilometers per hour less, then it takes 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So the difference is what? 3 hours more here. So of the same distance, we need to find the speed of the train. So they ask to find the speed of the train now. So let us let speed of the train be s. Let speed of the train. Let speed of the train is equal to x kmph, kilometer per hour. Given distance is equal to 480 kilometers. So we have the concept here. Speed is equal to distance by time. So they given speed and distance now. So then time is equal to, because they given the difference in time is 3 hours. So time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to distance by speed here. So now difference in time. Speed again they given. The speed is decreased by, when speed is decreased by 8 kilometers per hour less, then the time is 3 hours more. Then the time is what taken, the time taken, then the time taken is 3 hours more. So the difference is what? 3 hours. So difference in time is equal to 3 hours. Difference in time is equal to 3 hours. So time, what is the formula here? Time is equal to distance by speed. So first we will take here time is equal to distance. Distance is what? Distance, that is d1. This is distance is common. First speed is what? S1. Second speed is what? S2. This first speed is S1. So directly you can take otherwise here. So when the speed is decreased by 8 kilometers per hour, speed is equal to x minus 3 kilometers per hour. Now, which implies after decreasing speed. So x minus 3 kilometers per hour. So which implies the difference now. Difference in time is 3 hours. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to what? To 480. Speed decreased by how much here? X minus 3. Before time is how much here? Difference is before time is 480 distance. And speed is what? X is equal to. So is equal to 3 hours. So is equal to, this is time. So when the speed is decreased by 3 kilometers per hour, then time is 480 by x minus 3. Before speed decreasing, then the time is 480 by x. The difference in both times is equal to 3 hours. So now here the LCM is x into x minus 3. X into x minus 3. So cross multiplication. The product is LCM cross multiplication. 480 into x, 480x. Next minus 480 into x minus 3. Minus 480 into x, 480 into x minus 3. 480 into x minus 3 is equal to 3. So now let us simplify here. Open this bracket. 480x minus 480 into x, 480x minus into minus plus 480 into 3. 3 zeros 0. 3 8s 24. 3 4s 12 to 14. 1440 is equal to the whole divided by x into x square, x into 3x is equal to 3 positive. So I have this question here. I am simplifying. I am multiplying this here, this side here. So minus 480x minus 480x gets cancelled. Here what you get here? 1440 is equal to, so by cross multiplication here. So now 3 into x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x. So here you can multiply with the 3 here, you can divide. Okay, small correction here. Actually here it is decreased by 8 kilometers per hour, x minus 8. So here 480 by x minus 8. 480 minus 480 to x minus 8 here. So 480 into x, 480x, 480 into x, 480x, 480 into 8, 3840 by x square, x into x minus 8. So x square minus 8x, 480x, 480x gets cancelled. So 3840 is equal to 3 into x square minus 8x. So 3 2 can cancel here. 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 8 24 0. So which implies first I write this one. X square minus 8x is equal to 1280. Bring 1280 this side, which implies x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation for the given situation. Only a small correction we have taken here. So actually I taken 3 hours difference in time is 3 hours. Here the speed is decreased by 8 kilometers. That's why we have to be corrected here as x minus 8. Here x minus 8, here x minus 8, here x. So here the value is changed as 3840 to be simplified for 1280. So therefore for the given quadratic, for the given problem, the quadratic equation or for the given situation